Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be logging onto MSP and I haven't been on MSP in literally ages. Legit, it's been like a month I think because I kind of found other things to do and I've started a new school and stuff, so yeah, life could not be better. That was sarcastic by the way. Anyway, my username, yeah right, Milky Way GC, even though my name's not GC. Password. Birthday. Tapping sounds. Typing sounds. I'm so bored right now. Hurry up, please. Oh my god, there's a new theme. What did I expect? I might have missed like 2 themes. In fact, I probably have. Still got my usual friends on. I'm just so sick of MSP for some reason. So sick of it. Don't really care about the IP anymore. I'm sorry. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Oh my god, that's cute animation. Oh yeah, the Valentine's Day theme. That here is on point though. I hate that noise. Okay, so I'm just going to put a heart and be like recording. I don't know whether well, yeah. Let's actually change first because yeah, no. I don't remember buying this jacket. And why is that? Why is these things green? What kind of taste did I have like a month ago? Okay. That was from the something theme. Yeah, the something theme. Yeah. Okay, so what should I have as my hair? I feel like I'm in this kind of mood. I love space buns, honestly, but that just looks ugly. Ugh, gross. I remember when I loved that theme, like the Halloweenish themes. I was obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. Now for not animations, accessories. There we go. There we go. I've already got the hoop earrings on. Don't really like those. And now for some Stranger Things vibes. No, don't want them. Do I want that? Oh no, my nose ring. I want my nose ring. Give me my nose ring and go away, Fixie Star. No one likes you. Okay. It's like I'm not even exaggerating. Nobody likes her. Oh, I forgot to give that back to my friend. Oh well. I'm looking like the accessory queen right now. Okay, so I need to find my nose ring again. Get that back. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now for shoes. I've got like no shoes, but yep, that's as good as it gets. Yeah. I would wear these, but when I do animations, they like split in half, so no. That is cute. That is really cute. And like, no one blame me if you don't like my taste, but I like my taste, and I hate that. And I kind of like that, but it's kind of ugly. Someone gifted me that. Yeah, well, anyway, I feel like this here is just not right though. Anyone else getting that? Let's see. I think this is actually pretty cute, but I want to change the hair. No, not that. Oh, I'm bleeding. In real life. As if you could bleed on MSP. Sorry, I'm talking kind of quietly, but my mum's out there and she's like really annoying me right now. Okay, so red hair like in real life. Wow. Oh, if only I had those in blonde, that would be so cute. Now I'm being racist to my own hair color. Okay, that is cute. That's actual real cute. But why do I change it? I don't know, because I'm a weird person. Okay, I'm keeping that. I love that. Wait, do I? No, I don't even know. By the way, I got a phone yesterday. It's a Remedy 4X or something. Some Chinese brand, but it's pretty good. god, this is bringing back the memories. Hi, YouTube. Say hi. Goodbye. Okay. Shopping. Let's go check out this new theme and see what it is. I'm sweating. It's so hot here. First kiss. Oh my god, this theme is adorable. This hair though. That is... Oh, I love this so much. Like, that is just fetch. Yeah. So, what you guys been up to? Because you can totally answer. Let's just undress because I'm a stripper. Okay, first kiss. No. No. Hey, they rang this back. I've got that here. Oh my god. I'm actually shook right now. They've got a drip hat. What the hell? And what's this, by the way? Just while we're at it, what is that? Okay, go away. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh my god, this... I'm so shook. I'm just using that word because everyone else uses it, but ew. Ew. Like, no one would buy this unless they're, like, rich and they just want to show off their money, then yeah, they'll probably buy it, but ew. That is just... Oh, that is just unimaginably gross. And so sad. That looks like some sort of ugly rare because all the rares are ugly, but everyone wants to buy them because they're just apparently so cool and... Oh, my cat's in the background if you can hear him. Oh, social media zombies. Have I seen this? Oh yeah, I have because I bought that. I thought they would have had something like Valentine's Day or something, but instead they just had social media zombies. Use your brain. That's not funny. Wait a second. That is adorable. Yes, and what does this have to do with first kiss? Like, no. And what is that? Like, I don't even get it. What is that? What is life? Do you know the way? Sorry, I just had to say that because everyone's saying it at my school, and I don't even know what it means. But apparently it's some sort of meme, so yeah. Okay, so wait, did I miss any themes? No, let's see, how many themes have I been on MSP with? I started here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 themes, not bad. Designs, I love designs because they're so cheap. Oh my god. Okay, so 8 minutes I've been recording. My tummy's so sore. I want to go jump in my pool right now. Why is that skin color? Ew. I really want something to like go with my jeans or my clothes or something. That looks like some sort of rare. I mean, you know where I'm coming at, right? Looks like some sort of rare. Sorry, I'm just going kind of crazy right now. Okay, I want to buy that. Buy. Ew. Gross. Oh. Sorry if I'm being really boring, because I probably am, but I just have nothing to say, honestly. All I gotta say is, meh. Yeah, that's what I had to say. I can hear my chickens in the background. I live on a farm, by the way, if you're wondering. But you probably weren't wondering, but unless you're a stalker and you're wondering where I live, then there's a tiny bit of information. I live on a farm. But you're not gonna find me, because we've been through that. No, we haven't, but let's buy that. Okay, that is kind of cute. All we need is some blonde hair. Wait, who are my friends now? All these people that are ditching me. Happy Valentine's Day. I mean, that is a nice thing. Not as an insult. She's my best friend in real life as well. I love cookies. Wow. Hold on, can I just do something? Movie Star Planet. Movie Star Planet. 10. 5 minutes left to record. That girl is aesthetic. Ow, my nose is so sore because I picked like a scab on it. That just sounds disgusting. And fruit. Oh no, I think I've forgotten. Nope. Yep. I forgot a password. Oh my god. Oh well. I wasn't trying to hack it if you're watching. I was just trying to, I've got a cleavage. Wow. Okay, so, dressing room. Let's go and change. I want to do like some sort of sailor's look with this because yeah. I'm so tired. It's crazy. Chinese. Yeah. Oh my god, she looks like a slut. Ooh. I don't have any black here, and that's what I was looking for. R.I.P. me. Perfect. R.I.P. Okay, so sorry, just had to do something. I've got nothing to say, like literally. Okay, now I look real weird, but you know what? I like it. I like weird. I like being weird. I love weird. Wait, is it new makeup? Hold on a second. These are new, aren't they? Yeah, they are. And so are these. Aren't they? I don't even know. New things. All this new. Any nose? Oh my god. Weird. Nothing really new there. And I need to screenshot this, but I don't know how to take screenshots. Log out. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I was watching Lele Pons. What am I? Lele. Okay. What should I look up? Ooh, dinner's ready. These are all the things that come up when I go into my account. Okay. Wow. By the way, if you didn't know, well you didn't because I haven't been recording for ages, I'm obsessed with Stranger Things. Like, me and my friend actually cry over it. Like, the fact that we're not in it. Like, oh my god, you don't even know. Like, no. I'd probably just start crying whenever I even see Finn Wolfhard or Millie Bobby Brown. Or anyone. Ow. Okay. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, well, you probably didn't, but if you did, anyway, if you didn't or you did, just like it and subscribe and do all those things that people say. So goodbye, I'm done with this video. I'm done with my life. I'm going in the pool. Goodbye.